Side kick. A kick is never considered a push. Every kick needs a snap. So side kick has always been snap, not push. As for cut kick, that's a slide with the back leg, keeping your back leg underneath your body, the whole extension, all the way, and then side kick. Here's the difference. Side kick. Side kick. Sliding side kick.